Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is series 32 dealing with innovative ideas where it deals with IoT and smart technology solutions. So moving on with different topics, the first topic for today is these are the contents. IoT based smart wheelchair would be the first topic, and the second is IoT based smart parking system. Third one is smart communication assistant, and fourth one is women security system. So moving on with the first topic, that is IoT based smart wheel. So we know why we use smart wheel, because it enhances the mobility and independently making a disabled person move from one place to the other place. It is not only dealing with mobility, it also enhances the other features like operating or calling somebody through different operating buttons affixed using sensors. So here the IoT based smart wheelchairs is integrated with different sensors. It can be a object detection sensor, or it can be a GPS tracker, or it can be a messaging system, or this different sensors, so that it can provide a connectivity through real-time health monitoring. So it also used for health monitoring system and object detection, and then some customization so that it can enhance the mobility, and also it can help the other disabled people to use this smart wheelchair for n number of daily usage purposes. So moving on with what would be the innovation part of smart wheelchair design, the first one is real-time health monitoring and alerts. So it is integrated with real-time health monitoring in smart wheelchairs, which enables continuous tracking of vitals, and then it promptly alerts the users or the caregivers if at all if there is any emergency, so that it can enhance the safety and personalized healthcare management. Then comes the voice and gesture control navigation. So here what happens is, when you combine voice and gesture control with smart wheelchair navigation, it provides hands-free intuitive operation, or it improves the accessibility and user independence through seamless interaction with embedded IoT system. And third comes obstacle detection and auto braking system. So obviously the obstacle detection and the auto braking system will use some sensor so that it identifies some obstacle in real time, and it enhances the user safety by automatically stopping the wheelchair to prevent some collisions or accidents. So what would be the future scope of the wheelchair technology? Yes, here comes the integration with AI for personalized assistance. So by learning user preference or predicting the needs, adapting the controls, enhancing the autonomy and safety for the future smart wheelchair users. And then cloud connectivity for remote monitoring. Here it enables a real-time remote monitoring, allowing the caregivers to track the wheelchair status or the health data and also the location by enhancing the safety and maintenance, and then provide a personalized user support efficiently and proactively. And enhanced battery life and energy efficient system. So when the future smart wheelchairs are integrated with advanced energy efficient components, and then it is optimized by some power management system, it can significantly enhance the battery life, ensuring its longevity and uninterrupted usage for enhanced user mobility and convenience. Next comes the next topic, that is IoT based smart car parking system. It is not just car parking, it can be any vehicle parking system. So here it is used for optimizing the urban parking management, which is we face in daily life. Whenever you go for a big shopping complex area, and if there is no parking area for that particular building, then we roam around the road for a better parking area. We also ensure that it should also have a parking area. It should not be a non-parking area, because the officials get the cheese the vehicles. Nowadays it happens too much. So for that, IoT based smart parking system will be using different sensors. So with that, we can know real time data can be fetched and the urban parking can be managed appropriately. So when it is managed appropriately, obviously the congestion can be reduced, the time saving can be done because you obviously know where the parking area is, and then finally it is ending up in optimizing the space utilization so that completely it manages the traffic flow across the city. Now, moving on with the innovation part, first is sensor-based real-time parking slot detection. So when you're using sensors, the system will detect the real-time parking slot availability by enhancing the efficiency, by guiding the drivers instantly, reducing the search time, traffic congestion, and also optimizing the urban parking management. Now, after affixing the sensor, then comes your mobile integration for ECE location and payment. So when there is a mobile app integration, it enables the real-time parking space location, seamless navigation and secure digital payments by enhancing the user convenience and reducing the time spent searching for the particular parking slot. After mobile app, there would be an automated barrier control and security features which enhances the access efficiency through real-time vehicle detection so that it can be integrated with security features like encryption, surveillance, so that you ensure that the vehicle is secured, and if at all if there is any unauthorized entry prevention in smart parking system. So what would be the innovation? Yes, AI-driven predictive parking analytics. So this optimizes the space utilization by forecasting the demand patterns, reducing the search time, and enhancing the user experience through real-time data integration and adaptive learning algorithm. Next is integration with smart city infrastructure. So when there is a seamless integration with the infrastructure, obviously there is a real-time sharing which enhances the traffic management, improves user experience by coordinating parking availability with the public transport and urban mobility system. Then comes expansion to electric vehicle charging station. So here, when it is integrated with EV charging, it supports sustainable mobility, optimizes the energy use, and also promotes the wider EV adoption across the real-time availability and efficient resource management. Next come the next topic, that is Udan Sadi, that is smart communication assistant. So this is used for smart voice recognition and intuitive interface technology. So it is used for different disabled people like blind, deaf and disabled. So here what happens is this Udan Sadi will enhance the accessibility for the communication done by blind people, deaf people or any kind of disability individual. So what would be the innovation that can be done in this? Voice to text and text to voice conversion. This enhances the communication accessibility by enabling seamless interaction between the user and the devices. So obviously there is a facility for real-time translation, improved clarity and inclusive communication experience. Then would be the gesture recognition for deaf and disabled user. So gesture recognition is obviously a good technology that enables the seamless communication for the deaf and disabled people by translating the hand movements into a digital commands or enhancing the accessibility and interacting through some smart intuitive interface. Last comes the AI powered contextual understanding and response. So here it utilizes the AI so that it can interrupt some user context, so that it can enable an accuracy and adaptive responses, and also it can enhance communication efficiency and personalized interaction in a dynamic environment. Moving with the future scope, first one is multilingual support and regional language integration. So when we are incorporating multilingual support with the particular regional language, it enhances the user accessibility and also fosters inclusivity. And it will drive a wider adoption of Udan Sadi assistant across different linguistic communication. Wearable and portable device adaptation. So here this enhances the real-time connectivity, improves the user convenience and enables the interaction with IoT ecosystem, driving personalized and efficient smart communication solution for the further future development. Enhance connectivity with healthcare and social services. So this proves to be a very important one, where when it has improved integration of Udan Sadi with healthcare and social service, that will enable the real-time data sharing, and also it provides personalized support and efficient emergency response, enhancing the overall community well-being and accessibility. Next topic is women's security system. So this ensures the safety of all over women in the India or all over the world through different smart technology that can be embedded for it. So here, when the security system is integrated with the IoT sensor, obviously we will fetch real-time data like where they are, whether they are in a safest position, whether they are in any emergency situation where they require immediate response. And so there is a continuous monitoring happening through different mobile apps or only through sensor, through GPS tracking, GSM, it happens. So what would be the innovation part in it? Real-time location tracking and SOS alert. So here it uses the GPS for accurate real-time location tracking so that it can enable the immediate response during emergency. And also there is a provided SOS alerts where it can instantly notify the trusted contacts and authorities, enhancing the personalized safety and rapid assistance. Then it can be integrated with AI, that is AI-based threat detection and prediction, where they can analyze behavioral patterns and environmental data in real time, so that it will enable the early prediction of some dangers and enhance the proactive safety measures for the human. And then integration with law enforcement and emergency services. So this will enable real-time alert dispatches, GPS tracking and immediate response coordination, so that significantly it enhances the effectiveness and timeliness of human security intervention. So for this, what would be the future scope? Smart wearables for continuous monitoring. So this can continuously monitor the health and safety throughout with real-time data collection, so that it can enhance the instant alert and location tracking, improving personal security for women in different environments. Next comes the community-based alert system and support networks. So integrating with community-based alert system along with the IoT will also enhance the real-time notification, foster collectively about the safety, and it establishes robust support networks and amplifies timely response and empowering the local vigilance for smarter security solutions. Then comes the advanced biometric authentication for user safety. So here integrating with biometric authentication like facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, this will enhance the user safety by providing some secure, personalized and tamper-proof access in women's safety system. So hope you're happy with different innovative ideas that is discussed today. Please stay tuned for more information like this. Thank you.